Hello, this is Demetrius with Jefferson Patterson Park Museum, and this is a Maintenance Minute. Have you ever had this happen to you? The ground prong on a plug break off? That's a common problem. Happens a lot. It's important to have all three prongs when the equipment came with it. Reason being, it was designed to have a ground prong. If you did not have it on it, it could electrify the case and cause injury. Also, it helps protect the equipment inside and prevents fires. Today we're going to cover replacing a plug. Putting a new plug, three-prong plug on a cord.
Yep.
So, as you can see, I already cut this off. What we're going to do is strip back the insulation some. Nothing too much. Do this carefully because you don't want to nick those wires that are inside there. We cut the insulation around a little bit. Sometimes you can do this by hand. So we want to take this apart. And slip the back case onto the wire. When you peel this back, the back case this should be pinching on the outer sheeting of the wire. We'll separate these a little bit. I'm going to need to trim back just a little bit more, so I'll take these cutters and trim it back carefully. The cloth is put in there so to help protect the cord and the wires inside. Now we're going to strip the wires. I'll have one more. A little escapee. Most of these devices do have a stripping gauge. If it doesn't, that's fine. You want to have about enough to go inside the screw. Wire strippers are very handy because you need a screwdriver for this. Some cutting tools. Yes, it beeps at me. Now, on the receptacle, on a plug, you have different color screws. The brass one, which is the hot lead. The green one, which is the ground. The silver one, which is the neutral. What we're going to do is put the correct color in with the wire. Generally speaking, most devices use a standard coloring scheme. The green wire is always the ground. The white wire is always the neutral, and the black wire is the hot. I say always, and you really shouldn't, because some people use different color wires. Now let's get the neutral in here. That's why you do a twist so it doesn't come all apart. Once it's all wired in, bring the back casing up. Most of them go a certain direction. They'll have a little notch in this one's case. Bring it in, line up the screws. Screw the face down. Then on the back, the little part that pinches the wire, you want to screw that down snug. This will help keep everything together. And that's how you replace a plug. Thank you for watching.